Hello, good people. How are you doing? This is Tracy, passionately intrigued arts. Being that I have to wear these eye patches until my follow-up, or when she says that I no longer have to wear them, they are working my nerves as far as this tape. The tape is so sticky, and so it leaves my face where it is applied. It's so sticky and it's so difficult to get off. So I'm using alcohol on my face quite often. It's drying my face out. Soap and water, hot soapy water, doesn't seem to get it off. I start with that and then I use the alcohol. So I wanted to come up with how can I put holes in this. It's rubber. So if I put a hole in there and a string or elastic, it's liable to pull through and tear it because it's rubber. I thought about my old grommet tool. Got a grommet tool. Have I used it before? No. Until this morning. And I'm practicing on the one that I don't wear anymore. This was for my right eye. My new one is for the left eye. So look at there. I got that on there. So to practice and demonstrate again, I'm going to do this other side. I'm not really sure if I did it right because I had to turn it over both ways, but let's see. So this grommet tool has a little lip right here. And I had set this, because it has a hole, I had set that on this prong. And then I flip this over because I want, am I doing this right? I want this smooth part of the grommet to be on the top part of the eye patch. So I placed it in here like this and squoze it, but then I had to turn the grommet tool over in order to get those to press down. So when I squoze it this way, it just put the hole through. So I'm thinking that I need to turn this the other way, I think. Like that. No, that's not going to work. All right, let me flip it back over. Do it like I did before. So I've got that little grommet in there. Let me kind of try and find the center of this rubber. And then I got to put a lot of pressure. So let me stand up, put a lot of pressure on it to get that hole in there. Let's see. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, Lord, I'm on the edge of it. I ain't do that right, y'all. Look how close I am on the edge. Doggone it. But, oh, it didn't flatten all the way, so I need to flatten it. How did I have it in there, y'all? Like this. Let me see if I can flatten it. Is that how I had it? No, I had it like this. I think. I'll go do this again. Let's see if I flattened it. It's on the very edge, but it didn't go through the rubber, so I guess I'm safe. So there it is. Okay, I did this on the one that I'm not wearing. Let me tighten this side down a little bit, I think. How you do that? Let me tighten that a little more. Make sure it's all down and tight. So that's the back side. All right, we'll get ready to do it on the one that I'm wearing. Let me try and clean as much of this adhesive off as I can with some alcohol. On both sides. And if this teaches me nothing else but how to use the grommet tool, it's all good, because I will not be wearing this patch for life. I don't have long to wear it. Okay. So I don't have a variety. I don't have colors that match. And most of them are big, so that's why I picked the white grommet, because these other ones are just too big. Oh, there's a silver one. Let's see if I can find another silver one. Okay, I'm going to use silver for this one. Now, how did I do it? Set the little grommet on that part that sticks up. So I guess, let's see. Take it off, take it off. So I guess this is the male part. This is the female part. So I'll stick this opening on the male part. Now let's see if I can get this centered and not at the edge. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to put some pressure on it. Let me stand up. And press down. Oh boy. Okay. It didn't come all the way through. So, let me do it again. Make sure that's on there. And let me press down really, really hard. Y'all, if I mess up the one that I'm wearing, I'm in trouble. So see, it pushed through, but it didn't attach. Doggone it. Y'all, this is the one I gotta wear. It smashed it, but it didn't hold on. Okay, I gotta do it again. Shoot. Why couldn't it do like the blue one? So it put a hole in here. And I got that little circle. Should I cut that off? I'll cut a little bit of it off. Man. Alright, let's try it again. Let me try it again. Let me put this on here. Stick this on there. I hope that hole's not too big now. That's not going to be good. Let me just make sure I got it lined up right. Doggone it. I think. And I think not. Hold on. This is what I'm going to do. Since I got the hole, I'm going to push it through the hole. How about that? Put it on the tool. Is it on there? Yeah. Now I'm going to press down. Please let this one work for the purple one. I want to wear my purple patch. I press really, really hard. OMG. I gotta press harder, y'all. So raggedy thing. Come on. Why isn't that working for this one? All right, pressure, pressure, pressure. Bend. It's not. So I'm going to flip the male part over this way. Stick it in there. See if that works. Yeah, I done messed up my purple patch. Trying to do something. Let's do it this way and see. Trial and error. I'm telling you. Oh. Ta-da! Woo! I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, that one's really in there. I got it, y'all. Okay. We're going to do the other side. Let's see if we can do better on this other side. I'm learning how to work this grommet tool. That's not silver. I need a silver one. Still not sure if I'm doing this right, but I think I am. You gotta flip it this way. Let me line it up and get it towards the back, or towards the rhinestones. And here we go with the pressure. Uh-oh. Is it still in there? All right, y'all. How did I do? Shoot. So it never works the first time. I don't know why. So what do? I flip the tool over and put it in the hole, line it up, and put pressure on it this way. Oh, shoot. I messed up again, y'all. No, I didn't. No, I did. Okay. Ooh-wee, I'm gonna need practice with this grommet tool. I'm gonna have to practice on something else. Do I got it in there? Okay. Now let me put some pressure on this joker. I did it. Okay. So I got a hole on each side. Each side. All right, this is the next step. I already did it. I have some elastic. Now, I was going to use my, I don't know, is this 3/8 elastic to put in here, you know, to put around my head. I don't want to waste this because this is temporary, just like this one was temporary. So this was my first one. What I did is I have some of this. It's called stretch lace, but this is elastic that I got some time ago from the Dollar Tree. Cut off some blue, and I doubled the string. Tied it on each side about 3 or 4 times, and then I cut the little string off and took some crazy glue and dotted it right there where I cut it off so that this doesn't come apart. I did that on both sides. So I'm going to do the same thing for this purple patch. I've already cut my elastic, and I'm going to get it even. Like I said, I doubled it. This is really thin elastic. And just get it even. Thread it through the hole and tie it 3 or 4 times. If I can hold on. Do I have both of them in there? There we go. All right, let me just knot this. That's one. That's 2. Pull it tight. And I do it one more time. I think. La 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 la. These ends are short. Okay, let me try it. Get this third knot in there. And pull it tight. So I'm going to take the crazy glue before I cut that string off and just put it at the end of this knot. At the end of these strings, just a little dab right there on both sides. Then I'm going to cut this excess off without getting crazy glue on my fingers. There we go. That should not come loose. Take this over here to the other side. Thread it through and give it a couple knots. A couple 3 knots. 1, 2, and trace 3. So I'm going to pull this tight as I can. Put that crazy glue on that knot so that my knot does not come loose. Just a little dab. That's all you need. Is it coming out? Yep. Cut these strings off. And I'm done. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. This video is really just on learning how to use a grommet, and I'm not good with it. I'm not proficient, a grommet tool with grommets. So I'm going to have to figure this out. Do some practicing. Because I like the fact that this hole here, that you can do this on material. You can do this on all types of things. Yeah. And this is temporary, but I just wanted to practice. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you out there soon. So y'all probably think I'm crazy. I am a little twisted. I just want to show y'all these things here. Right. Okay, I didn't have to put both of them on, but I just want to show you. So this was my left eye. I no longer have to wear that. But it's so much better just to have this. So I don't have that sticky stuff all over my face. That's a little tight, ain't it? That's a little tight. So here's my left eye. And this will work out so much better for me. Instead of using this doggone sticky tape, this is the stickiest stuff. And I'm telling you, my finger will stick. I finally got it clean where, you know, I don't have the adhesive on there. But this is going to work for me for the next few days until I go see the old eye doc. When she can release me from this thing. Peace of love. Peace of love. Peace of love. Check y'all out later. Ooh. Bye.